Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. So, dear students, in the previous lesson, we discussed the phases of moon. We discussed the new moon. We discussed the full moon, the waxing of the moon. Today, we will go ahead. Dear students, as you know, that on a new moon day, the moon is between sun and the earth, and the crescent, it goes on increasing every day till the 15th day of new moon. And 15th day, that is the night of 14th night of every month, there is a full moon that is seen on the earth, on the sky during the night. So the increase in the brightness of the moon from day 1st to day 14th, that is called waxing of the moon. So waxing means gradual increase in the size of crescent or moon. Similarly, there is another term after the full moon. The brightness of the moon goes on decreasing every night. This decrease of brightness of the moon is called waning of the moon. So for first 14 days of the month there occurs the waxing of the moon, and after from 14 day to the last day of month there occurs the waning of the moon, that is the brightness of the moon is decreasing. So the waning and waxing of the moon revolves around the earth. This is called phases of the moon. So waning and waxing uh, of the disks of the moon, it makes the moon to revolve around the earth. The waning and the waxing, which we call as the phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the earth moves around the sun in the same way as moon revolves around the earth. The moon completes one revolution around the earth in 27 1/3 days. It exactly takes the same time to spin once about its axis. Due to same time of rotation on its axis and revolution around the earth, it always presents the same pace towards the earth. So, dear students, as the moon revolves around the earth, the moon, the earth moves ahead in its own orbit around the sun. Thus, from the earth, the moon appears to complete one revolution between one new moon to next moon is 291 and a half days. Lunar calendars completely used by astrologers are based on the fact that the moon completes one revolution around the earth in 29 and a half days. So, dear students, this was some of the facts about the phases of the moon. So, and the next topic that we are going to study in this topic is the planets. The students, we will discuss these planets one by one in detail in different videos. Stay connected and stay at home, stay safe. Allah bless you all.